Say hands up! Say ho ho! You're on fire!
Sammy! Sammy?
Woohoo! This party is lit! Ah!
Seems like making Ken a DJ was a bad idea.
What? Why?
The monsters are not into this kind of music. Look, they're almost all gone.
We have to save the party! Any ideas, Susie?
We need a new DJ, and they should look monstrous.
Here I am to save your lame party, DJ Music Slime! Hey, that's not fair. That wireframe is too heavy.
Yep, because this frame belongs to DJ Music Man, the biggest animatronic in Freddy Fazbear's Mega Pizzaplex.
Yep, he defo ate dozens of pizzas to grow up to be that big.
Check out these spidey legs from wire. Do they look intimidating?
It could be only if they had some plasticine skin. Let's do it. Ugh.
This piece of plasticine is quite firm. Guys, you may need help at this stage.
Don't worry, Susan. You have a super slime to save you. Ha-ha!
All right, buddy, I've got it from here. Huh, it looks just like what we need. I have hidden talents too. Don't underestimate me.
Guys, did you see that? Give a thumbs up for Super Sue!
Oh, come on. The best part is on its way. Here, let's attach our plasticine pieces to the wire frame.
I'll help with the other half. Take it! Hey, don't touch Susie, you spidey legs.
Maybe our DJ wanted to show us his new music mix. Anyway, let's smooth down the seams to keep him from crumbling.
We'll have a DJ battle when he's all done. Keep going. Guys, you're the first ones to discover that an alien object landed right in our house. It's a gigantic insect alien from another galaxy that came to capture the whole... Susie, what are you doing? I was in the middle of shooting.
And now you're in the middle of coloring. Chop, chop.
Ugh, guys, I was captured by my best friend. Who knew?
Stop complaining and check out my newest bouncy beat. Bam.
Holy cannoli! Are these some small headphones?
No way. These are the joints for DJ Music Man's legs.
I was just kidding, Susie. So, can he move and dance to the beat too?
Sure, because these are the dancing beads. Come on, guys, this way. What are you listening to? Is it good? Wow, so loud. Can you hear me clearly now?
Yeah, the song is wow! It gave me enough energy to finish the joints. Voila!
Well, then the next stage is on me. Let's shape his legs.
Slime Sam is here to help. Well, aren't I great?
Just the right size. Thanks, Sam. All we need to do now is attach these pieces to the frame. There you go. Carefully. Great.
Okay, I got it. Yep, we can do that. Sure. Susie? The monster said that we should hurry up or they'll get bored.
Guys, you should never bore a monster. So let's speed up.
Susan! They're stalking us. Can you work a bit faster?
I'm already done. Besides, those monsters can't do anything to us. Because technically, DJ Music Man's arms are in our hands.
Susie, stop telling your dad's jokes and help me with the craft already.
All right. Don't be so grumpy. It looks like those monsters are getting into your head, Sammy. At least try to resist.
party back.
Then we have no other option but to make a new DJ. Oh. But you should know that he works only night shifts. I hope this isn't a problem.
It slaps! I can stay awake all night long. Let me just take care of this. Yeah, high five, buddy.
Throw your hands up in the air. Woohoo!
Hey, the weather forecast isn't reliable at all these days.
DJ, throw an energetic beat on. We're at the coloring stage here.
I'll be your DJ for a day. Let's turn on my favorite playlist. Huh?
Rock and roll.
Hey, Huggy, Monty, come back! I saw you like my music. Come on!
Guys, did you like it too? Then give us a thumbs up. DJ Music Man has his own speaker on his back.
Hello? Susie, it's already broken.
Shh, wait, it's just not ready yet. And we need the switch buttons too.
That task is for me. Give me a moment.
This speaker can produce a thick, loud bass sound. Can't wait to hear that. But first, we'll paint it thoroughly. And one last finishing touch. Perfect.
Susie, I'm genius. The buttons work perfectly. Try on me.
Okay, DJ Sam, turn the music on.
See, it works. La 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 la. Hey, I'm an artiste. That's how I see things.
Oh, come on.
Well, I see those buttons being more colorful. Make way. Now that's better. You can find any music style in here.
I have some decor pieces to spare. Come here, big guy. Stay still. Now we'll add some decor to your belly and back.
Can he roll on his side? It's impossible to reach his belly this way.
Roll, DJ! Wow, he's a very obedient spider.
Yeah, wait till he gets his hands back. Shiver me! Guys, did you see that? I said so.
Sammy, are his white gloves ready?
Yep, they dried out pretty fast. Why does DJ wear gloves anyway?
I can only guess. First of all, for all of the handshakes and high fives.
Okay, these will do. Ha! What's next? I'm really curious.
Let's see. Oh, to dance on the dance floor for sure.
Ha! That sounds so cool! Tell me more, tell me more!
It'll be the last and most obvious guess, Sammy. To capture little pink slimes!
Help me, I'm so scared! Hey, that was so much fun. Why did you stop?
Check this out for yourself. He can't chase you properly without his head.
Say no more. We've already got everything done.
Nice plasticine piece, but the shape is wrong.
You're so impatient. Just like me, Susie. I'm coming already.
Oh, that's much better. Let's wrap it around the base.
Let's see what we have here. Oh, so much work for me. I love it. Just a few scratches and a mouse will be ready.
Can you give me some space here too? I want to draw.
What are you talking about? There's enough room for both of us.
Huh.
All done.
Okay, we make a great team. Ooh, what a thought.
Wait, his teeth. It's a real job for a slime dentist.
No, let me take this. You know, we may need a piano tuner here instead. His teeth are made like piano keys.
Susie, you can play it well. Do it quick.
Okay, you got me. Guys, watch closely. Wow, that was one of my best tries. I hope DJ Music Man loved it too.
Yeah, even his eyes popped out. We should bring them back. Give me a second. Holy cannoli, he'll look a bit crazy. See?
He may be terrified about losing his nose. Here it is.
No, that's not the case. Oh, we forgot about his stage makeup. Montgomery, Gator, Freddy, it's your turn. Quick, quick.
Finally, he looks kind of pleased. Maybe we'll have a party soon.
Do you want to listen to that too? Let's share.
Sammy, I suppose he wants his accessories back.
Oh, you could have just asked. Here you go.
And the finishing touch. DJ can't work without his ear monitors.
So I can finally call for my monster friends?
Sure, suit yourself. DJ Music Man is ready to rock the dance floor.
Hooray! Guys, the party is starting now.
Party time!
Woohoo! Turn it up, DJ! Sammy, let's dance!
Hey guys, this party's monsters only. Come back some other time. Ouch, you stepped on my... Ah! Ugh.
Sammy, stop sulking and let's have fun all together.
You're right! I can be myself again!
Check this out. DJ's loosened up too. He's bouncing.
Guys, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to... Ah!
Guys, he meant don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.